Hello, Kajay Tashiv. This video is about the Achill Island Gaeltacht. Achill Island is one of only 3 regions in Mayo with native Irish speakers. The Achill Island dialect is unique and is critically endangered. There's just over 2,300 people living on the island and another 700 on the Curran Peninsula. Surveys show that only 20% of people in Achill speak Irish on a daily basis, but that 65% of the population can hold a conversation. Here's a couple examples of what these native Achill speakers sound like.
Ní bhíon is na tá ginúra gan féin agus tá seachan tá lána tí gan tá
tá gan agus tá cuman seoisiir cuman minúr agus cuman mangasúr gan seo.
Unfortunately, you won't hear much Achill Irish on radio or television. And you won't find it on social media.
Oh, well, Aine atá agéisiú seo. Well, Aine gas aon tú leis an ráta sin.
So I grabbed my camera and my surfboard, hit the road, and headed off to Achill to see if I could find some native Irish speakers.
Agus fang effect image from the nGaeilge sin. There's some bit hunter agus some go to market. So some go to Trawi Ceol. I guess look at the be couple country had. Come let's get. I'm calling the Arvinson. Sorry? I'm calling the Arvinson. What's your vacho?
Sorry.
Oh, you're right. So you from here, Achill?
Oh, on my life.
Yeah.
On my life, really, yeah.
I guess I'm Mcginley again.
Biogaini.
Biogaini.
That's about as much as I have. I don't have a lot. I'll be quite.
My house no good.
Right. I should be surfing, my ginger.
What's that?
You surfed this morning?
No, I haven't. I'm hopeless.
Hey, come let's get. I want to give Colum an offer on Panachanga. Sorry?
After a very depressing morning, I finally met a young Irish speaker who was happy to chat with me.
Is there a lot of, would you say, like, we're in the Gaeltacht, right?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of Irish around?
Like to it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, come on, let's get the last knee kind of comes to.
Check it. Neil nGaeilge is Gnosil, but tá sé close on like tá piece of Gaeilge go far she's on chin ach gachna eile O'Brien on seo.
Ach mar hampla an bíon duine agsúla staach an bíon siad ag bhairt sin Gaeilge leatsa.
Nearly gone.
Yeah.
Or one bhí Colleen bón póga. So she contrast Gaeilge.
Or one.
Yeah, or one.
Jakers.
Agus version the fire nakla he agus pan lesh agus she delayed constantly Kayla. She on tain on a honeycomation. But
I'm willing can't that or not I don't know only in pocket ledger.
She's in Nuega.
So what's she saying?
So Tasha she's on board her shock no ways to
Anyway, Míle.
So I got back in my car and hit the road to go to Duega to meet some native Irish speakers. But when I got there, there was no one around to talk to. No shop, no cafe, no businesses, just a closed pub and an empty church. At this point, it became obvious that if I was going to meet native Irish speakers in Achill, I would need a little bit of help. So after a quick surf, I got in touch with Colum from the Offig Planala Changla for Olanakla. Colum and his colleagues are tasked with trying to revive the Irish language in Achill, and he was nice enough to take me around in his car and introduce me to some of the native speakers.
I guess I'm talking about this can't feed the force feel like could you tattoo again feel listen changa I guess.
Tá gobar mar ofca plan á Changa, so tá sé bhúlgus an Gaeilge a corcon crin ein chuí a féidirlum. So bín imachtaí arsúlagam caiime imachtaí a agrú agus rudí a chur arsúl daoine agus jeisian a hórsta daoine a chuid Gaeilge a úsáid mar luí me tá an méid an daoine háart le Gaeilge áling ach muna bhfuil siad ag teach le chéile agus muna bhfuil siad le clostáil agus le feiceáil an gláir an Gaeilge níl si bio mar teach go fóbal.
I think country do has had before.
Kid, the 5 that Talon in the country dogus nach well force a conch share nach well a conch the blint will Gael Gaco. Right there, it's your kid agus gawkid in Achill. So tá drama more ella Beidir 3K daoine a bhfuil Beidir gur chuid maith dómh tógú le Gaeilge sa teach agus béarla lena cháirde. You know, so bhí sin like daoine bhí tógú Beidir 5 daoine na 60 daoine thart sin.
I guess I'd ask this question in English because I don't want to mess it up. Would you say, was this job, it must make you feel very hopeful and depressed depending on the day? Like, who you talk to or whatever.
Yeah. Unta to be to explain, yeah, tá dul chun cin le feicáil. Like, mar lucht, like, lénta, géantú steach go dtí an supermarket, and it's like, bang, 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 throw no car le Gaeilge, like, it's back.
Yeah.
Agus lénta eile, they'll pop the Gaeilge in the first time. Yeah, yeah. I know, on rather just like kind of Beidir up the horse to Dini, the Jeshna horse to Dini, August. Fair, you know, Mata Simaku, Chucky Sheet. Manuel, in more on the John of yeah.
In what we are in a session food. Monica, will tell.
Hiya, to Ryan.
See Shan Jogo, could no med, but come in or the shot. See each other, big out
Oh, cut away.
See Shan.
Would you mind if I put the camera on you?
Am I decent?
Yeah, I could, this is good too. I don't mind facing here.
All right, you look, please, I talk for Ireland, so please, rein me in.
So, I'm not guessing I got to buy her and can't hear and came with the chat, but I'm not hard to get on well in shopping or at, I don't know, when you can't hear it.
Well, no, the cousin mission here, Michigan in shop, August cousin Dini, more pain than more Colum, August, and thought he could come in, see the country. I thought Dini, all of country, all of really good. All of really good. I thought Dini was to let's get her one channel, you'll always say. Thought good chin.
Yeah, touch it on, yeah. Because she's on, they're going, you know, Brahan Share, you know, into the stuff to use one to Gaeilge got in it, or Laura, that bit, not when, you know.
Not after in her big head. At all. On body show, I could have a front. You see how.
Oh, it's another.
He's in Chinese. Give a finish. On Mahara, Colum Harvey, you be.
Oh, yeah.
Colum Harvey.
Yeah,
I was on scale for Harvey, we all be far around Moon, like you get, we had to get the board again, because we bought more again, because any shit, we shake chopped heart of our shop, because all the way grow, band, the Colleen, I get, knuckles, because you know, she always know the chop the shop. Agus a bhar mór. Leis an bád mór agus thug sin airgid leis an ní an céisisin cébí céir.
Oh, thug sin.
Sin é an scéal, níos go an ceann le ríigh mear. Yeah, Colum Harvey. Tá fara té teach.
Good my God, John, fair play. You remember you soon the Bailey more. What's that Bailey? Yeah, new Bailey.
Come on, Jay.
Good my God.
So what did Dini Oga in Achill? And what should it fall in Gaeilge Martissa? And what should it fall in Gaeilge Achill? And what should it fall in?
Well, Miss Colum seen it about it, the whole himself.
That's a jacker. Now, much that we make only wrong, you'll get it after Agam or Corbin, when you'll get Kina, well, I'll get that. I forced the ruddy chuck shears, you know, Fridays will ship you, the ruddy chuck shears. So, the posture skull, chucking shit suits or ruddy jug after she talk to a word or anything, because she talk to Bame, a cur, or a kind of a John Children's, and a jiffy up the, what is it?
What could you know different to your style? And just about, Gaeilge Achill, Echo, Katina, in a year, Abigail 1, always that's Achill,
Michelle.
Yeah.
Tá Abercin sin. A cushion at Chinu.
A cushion at Chinu?
Cushion at Chinu beside the fire. Cushion at Chinu. Ocho yellow. Cushion at Chinu.
Cushion at Chinu?
Yeah. Cushion at Chinu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I drink like honey.
Yeah.
Tháinig rudí
Yeah, oh,
beaga.
yeah.
A lán rudí beaga.
Tá sé cosisiú le sinné hanig mu just ola. Chud hanig mu just dún an gá agus mó muintir agus muintir chola mó mai hanig sin nó ná se chromáin. Agus ar an bhela bhí si ag meascú le an dhéile a dáte dhéile a hanig siad is a bhí a ganún féin acu a bhí ben ola a go mai. Bar le dús Colum. Honnig, yeah, Hannig me. Hannig me an bhela teach the bóin agus hannig the catholic job. Rud féin. Sné rudí mar sin. Bhí sé céad sa cúig agus trí bhí nóair a caiidehé. Nóair a fór sé bás, nóair a caiidehé dearna sin.
Nóair a caiidehé?
Yeah.
Get yourself.
When he died.
Right.
Na have Colum.
Yeah? Nóair a caiidehé, yeah. Cool.
Ní had nóair a fór sé bás. Nóair a caiidehé.
No.
Agus
Yeah.
it is.
It's so now, yeah.
Bhí nu haise híal tá a good in Alabin agus assassinaí a gobar agus bhí tuiscint ige ar canóns tíorchana dún an gá mar bhí sé gobar lofa. Ach nóair a bhí in telefís agus daoine a chuil tá híalaí nó corcaí. Dhear sé ó dionádaí Dhear and water can't because we you can't. Oh, you know, great you can't to Gunya. She had nothing. Yeah, you know, and grandma the hug. We and grandma the hug, and you're also go go grandma. Yeah, you're also going. Yeah, his uncle. Yeah, because we see the capital. Okay, so
Well, Sinead, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys learned something, or at least had fun watching it. Unfortunately, the Achill dialect is in severe decline, and Colum told me that the youngest native speaker with the local dialect is about 50 years old. So unless something changes quickly, we're probably going to lose the dialect. On the bright side, there's obviously a lot of people that are really enthusiastic and working hard to preserve and grow the language, so there is reason to be hopeful. So Sinead, I'll be making more videos like these, so let me know in the comments if there's a Gaeltacht I should go to next, or if there's someone I should be talking to when I'm there. Go to Mcginley, agus slán go fóill.